to Henry's how-tos. I'm going to show you how to make Moorish beef kebabs. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on half a kilo of diced beef. In my case I'm using beef chuck. So the first thing I'm going to do is season this with 1 teaspoon of salt. Next we'll add half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 2 crushed garlic cloves, half a teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper, and we'll finish this off with about 3 tablespoons of oil. And I just want to mix this all together. So guys, we just want to cover this with some cling wrap now, place it into the fridge, and we want to leave it in there for about 4 hours. Let all those flavours develop. Leave it overnight for best results. Alright, so here comes the fun part guys. So we'll give it a quick mix. And I'm going to thread these on my long metal skewers like so. These can also go on bamboo skewers, just make sure you soak them first. And we're just going to thread our beef straight on. Just like that. Now you don't want to put too many pieces on. Alright guys, so in my case I'm going to cook them on my mantle, so we'll just go ahead and place our skewers straight on. So I'm just cooking at a medium to high heat. After about 30 seconds we'll flip our skewers, just so we're sealing them and keeping all that flavour inside. So the basic idea now is to flip them every 30 seconds until they're cooked all the way through. This should take only about 5 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm just at the 5-minute mark now. Visually I can tell they're cooked. And by squeezing you can see that they're nice and firm, which is what we want. So let's go ahead and serve. We'll finish that off with some fresh parsley. And there we have it. So that's perfect on its own, but you can serve it with rice, salad, or you can place it into a bread and make a wrap with it. Any sort of yogurt sauce will go very nice with this too. If not, you can just squeeze some fresh lemon and that'll be just as nice. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.